So today on Kinda Strong IT Nerd, we are going to be installing some new power outlets for the house to kind of IT up the house. So what we're doing is we're going with these plugs that are these outlets that have the USB-A and USB-C connectors already built into them, which will help if you have people over that need to charge their phone, so you're not looking for a power brick to plug in. They just need their cable. I went with the 5 amp version of these. There are 3 amp versions. The 5 amp give you a little bit faster charger time on your phones and devices. Alright, so here we go. Oh, but before we start, I recommend you caffeinate up with a nice energy drink from Bucked Up Energy. Check out my bio for the discount code to get 20% off all your Bucked Up supplements. Alright, so we're getting started here. First thing you're going to want to do, of course, is make sure that you've turned off the breaker for the outlet that you are going to be working on so that you don't electrocute yourself. We're going to start by removing the face plate for the existing outlet. The thing about these particular outlets with the USBs in them is you do have to buy new wall plates that are square and not the ones for the traditional power outlets that you have in the house. All right. Can be a little sticky depending on how long the existing outlet has been in the wall. I might have to just cut these and strip them and start from scratch. Right, you can have on the back side of here a hot and a cold side. Should match up your white and your black, and then your ground, which will be down at the bottom here. Alright, that's pretty much all you got to do. Then you're going to mount the bracket. It's got nice little pilot holes for you right there already. Tighten that one out a little bit more. Slide it over the top, snap it in place, and there you have it. USB A and C power and your regular 2-prong plugs for your appliances and your lamps and phones. Alright, that was a quick and easy one. We're going to do a couple other plugs in the house in specific areas that are high use, and we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Give me some comments if you saw me doing anything wrong. I am not an expert at this. I am predominantly an IT guy. So we'll see you next time.